Aloha everyone. I've just got to make this video this morning. It is 2:19 a.m. October the 16th, 2018, early Tuesday morning. Got to show you how much water we have gotten from all this rain that we are having. It's still raining this morning as I'm doing this video. I'm stepping out real carefully out onto my porch. You see the two lights in the center of the video? That wider street. There is a field behind there. You look between the branches and you can see the water there. And on the street, I mean, it is pouring off from that field with so much water and going down the street that is dry street. Let me see if I can catch it another direction. Whoops. There we go. How about that? And then looking off to the other side of my place. That's looking down the street from me off my porch. Let me get back up here. I'm standing in front of my porch right now. I'm turning this to my left. There we go. And then I'm going to turn this to my right. This is what I will be looking at this morning as I go to my doctor's appointment. Thankfully, the hop will pick me and my electric chair up so that I don't have to ride her all the way up there. I'll just have to ride it up to the, or down to where the ramp is located at. So, and I use the, if the weather permits and when it's good and when I'm feeling good, so I don't have to depend on others at times to take me to my doctor's appointment, I'll ride my electric chair up to the doctor's office, or I'll ride it to the grocery store and back. And then I use it here inside my apartment. But when the weather is like this, I won't be going from my place up to 5-6 blocks up the street from me. So, you know, that just would not be the thing to do. So, plus I don't want to get her all that wet as much as she needs to. So, anyway, I'd rather play it safe than be sorry and be caught out there and not be able to get back home. That would not be very smart at all. No, I don't think so. Not for this lady. But anyway, love y'all. Aloha.